Hi everyone, I'm Pika and welcome back to Baker Affair. So you want a cookie, but you just don't want to make a massive batch. So today I'm making these amazing cornflake cookies with marshmallows, chocolate chips, and peanuts, just for two. For the perfect salty, sweet, savory, delicious treat. So let's get started. Okay, so in a small bowl, I'm going to add butter, softened. That's 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm going to mix it up, light and fluffy. And then I'm going to add the flour, which is 1/4 cup, a little at a time. Okay, so I added all the ingredients in here, the marshmallows, the peanuts, and the chocolate chips. However, I've never really made it like that. I've made it with marshmallows, I've made it with chocolate chips, but I've never really made it with all 3 components, which dried out the dough just a little bit. But I'm still going to try it out because I know you guys want to know, does it really work? So even if you make a mistake, does it work? I'm going to try it. We'll find out. I'm having a really bad day filming today. A really awful day. It keeps cutting out. I don't know why. It says it's filming and then it's not filmed. Anyway, so I've already started making the little balls, hoping that they will indeed bake. I still have a couple more in here.
Okay, so what I like to do is make a round ball, and then I like to flatten it.
And then I'm going to stick them in the oven, and when they come out of the oven, I still have a few more to make. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to stick them in the oven, bake 12 to 15 minutes at 350, and then I'll take them out and I'll be back to tell you if they worked. Okay, so they just came out of the oven. They cooled on the tray for 5 minutes. I let them cool off completely on a rack. And now we're going to try these tasty little treats. I hope they're good. They're very, very, very crunchy. They're good. I think I added the peanuts, which brought down the moisture in the actual dough. So the next time I think I will cut back on the nuts. They're good though. And you get just enough for 2 people to have 3 cookies apiece. Sorry. If you like crunchy, go good with a cup of coffee, hot coffee, or a big old glass of milk, but I don't drink milk. So anyway, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, share, and until next Wednesday, ciao.